I found one add-on that I thought would be extremely useful as an English teacher, and that is called OrangeSlice Teacher Rubric. It allows you to make a rubric, and it also allows you to score a student's rubric quite easily. I think a lot of people spend a lot of time making a rubric and making it look nice and getting the table just right, but this creates it for you and you can personalize it. So I'm just going to go with performance levels and choose just 3-4 ideas that I want to focus my students to focus on and create a rubric. And it just fills it out for you. You can customize each category if it doesn't fit your needs. You can change different aspects of it. And then once you have the rubric and you give it to students, when you grade their papers, you can do it all online. And when I hit score rubric, it allows me to choose how I want to grade it. And then it allows me to just grade the students' papers. So let's say I like their ideas, I like their sentence fluency, I like the vocabulary, I like the conventions, and I'm going to process their grade. It highlights the different categories and it gives a grade at the bottom right there. I think this is really effective for teachers. It saves them a lot of time in making a rubric, and then it also causes them to focus a lot on what exactly they're giving their students, because it says exactly what it is, what grade matches up with what level of skill. There's also another add-on called Student Rubric, and it helps the students understand what the teachers expect. And so I think both add-ons are really great in the English teaching world.